Okay, so over here we're still at the same place. This is the main house. The wetland is down below me to the right. They just built a real nice pool, and we are considering a number of single trunk foxtail palms along the back here, depending on exactly where they want to start, which may be over there, maybe over here, 3 to 5 foxtail palms. Foxtails are an airy palm. A lot of light gets through a foxtail, so it will not block out the sun from the pool if you're in the pool area. And then just on the other side here, if you can use your camera and show the view over there, they want to block out that view over there. So we're going to start right here and go that way about 60 feet, and we'll just come up from the wet area and put a row of dwarf Buddha belly bamboo, maybe as tall as 10 feet, so that they will automatically not be able to see that over there. Something we've noticed, that when you plant a privacy screen, sometimes there's a lot of noise on the other side of the screen, but you know, when you plant a privacy screen, you block out the view, and although you don't necessarily block out the sound, you don't tend to hear what you don't see. It's amazing how that works, but your senses kind of work that way. I'm not saying you don't hear it, I'm saying you don't tend to hear it as much. So that's all for here. Oh, one more thing over here is a triple trunk foxtail right here to fill up this area. It'd probably be more down here. So the Buddha bellies would be over here about 10 feet, and the triple trunk foxtail would be right here, just to give ambiance to this area from the pool cage. This tree needs to be 15, 18 feet tall.